In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the WordPress admin bar for non-admin users. This is perfect if you want a cleaner, distraction-free experience for subscribers, customers, or contributors who don't need access to admin tools. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, open the Plugins section and click Add New. This takes you to the WordPress plugin library. At the top right, use the search bar and type Hide Admin Bar from non-admins. When the plugin appears, make sure it matches the name. Then click Install Now. The installation only takes a few seconds. Once installed, click Activate. That's it. As soon as the plugin is active, the WordPress admin bar will automatically be hidden for all non-admin users, while admins will continue to see it as usual. There are no extra settings required, which makes this plugin quick and beginner friendly. If you ever want to bring the admin bar back, you can simply deactivate the plugin from the plugins page. And that's how you disable the WordPress admin bar for non-admins in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more WordPress tutorials